Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am bringing you guys what is supposed to be like a cozy nighttime planner routine. Basically, I have just gotten back from a weekend in Atlanta, spent with family and friends, and I needed to catch up with my planner. Although I do have to say that I don't really plan on the weekends, only during the week. So this would be a typical routine whether I went out of town or not. So first of all, I'm checking in with my budget planner, which is available for free. Link in the description. Also checking in with my personal planner, which is also available for free. Link in the description. And so now I'm just going to start with taking you guys through what I would do on a Sunday night as I prepare for the upcoming week, specifically the upcoming work week. So I'm checking off that I did upload a video on Saturday, and that's pretty much the only thing I really needed to update on this particular day for my monthly calendar. Of course, changes have taken place since then, so I do need to do some more updates, but that's essentially what I would do. I would add any events that I have committed to or any other types of commitments to the monthly calendar, remove anything that had been canceled and that type of thing. I also actually remembered at this time that I did need to add an event for a meeting that I kind of forgot about adding it there, I think. So I just went ahead and added it. Now I'm updating my tasks, and these are just things that I think about typically over the weekend that I need to add. And I realized that we had given our dog her last heartworm med, and she takes those monthly. So that means I need to schedule an appointment to take her in, or probably to just call and see if they'll give us a prescription, but usually they want us to bring her in. So I basically just need to call the vet to see about that. My favorite part about coming back from a weekend spent with friends and family members, of course, is updating my mood board. If you can't guess, I'm actually not that into pictures. That's supposed to be funny because I am here creating a mood board, but I'm really not too into photos. But what I've been loving every month is creating these mood boards, and that's really since I got the iPad, which makes it too easy. So I just import the photos and I just create a cute little collage of everything that has happened in that particular month, and I thoroughly enjoy doing that. It actually forces me to take photos more when I'm with people. I'm not very much a person who takes a lot of photos when I'm with people. So it kind of forces me to do so just so I have basically something to add to my mood board. So right now I am checking in with kind of like my journaling section. I call this my monthly reflection. So I'm writing in any high moments from the weekend or low moments or favorite memories or things like that. And obviously spending a day, kind of like a full, maybe longer than 24 hours in Atlanta with my friends, our friends and family members was obviously a highlight of my life. So I did add that in. I also lost my credit card in the process. Don't ask. It was a wild one. And also we went to smoke hookah, which I've done before, but I haven't done it in years probably. And I was reminded that I do enjoy doing that every now and again. It's not anything super major to me, but I do like it every now and again, only because it's like a flavor. I don't know. We had mango mint, which was right up my alley, so it was fun. So I'm checking in with my monthly reflection and adding in anything that I feel like needs to be written here. Again, I'm not really much of a journaler, so I just kind of take notes about the month and talk about the good parts and the not so good parts, and I reflect on them, and that's pretty much that. So I'm updating that, and then I am going to move down to the bottom of the page and update my habit tracker. So I do want to say one huge thing that we did last week that we were not really intending to do, although it was something that was on our to-do list for probably over a year, was declutter the spare room. So now it is decluttered. It looks so good in there. We've donated items. Well, I've collected items and put them in my trunk to donate them. We have decluttered items. We have thrown out things that needed to be thrown out. So that was really a huge win for us. So right now what I'm doing is planning out the week. That's the next thing that I do. I go in and I clean up my weekly overview. So I actually just plan using the same page from week to week. I do not save any of my designs. I don't really care to. So I just update the weekly overview. So whatever does get accomplished from my task list, I erase. Whatever doesn't, if there are things that don't get accomplished, I just leave them there. And of course, add new tasks that I want to get done in that specific month or week, rather, I should say. And this week is a big week because I have a lot of birthdays. How is it that the two friends that I've made since living here both have birthdays that are basically back to back? It's kind of cool because I'll get to spend time with them. Well, I've already spent time with both of them this month, but I'll get to spend more intentional time with them this month due to it being their birthdays. But I just find that so crazy to me. But that's coming up, so that's kind of like a big thing. And then I have another friend who I've had for a very long time, and her birthday is in February. So I got some birthday gifts to purchase, basically, is what I'm trying to say. But this week, my husband has jury duty. I have some IEP meetings. Valentine's Day is approaching. And then we have off 4 days. I think we have off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday for the President's Day weekend. So that's exciting. So I'm just kind of writing in all of the things that we have to do. I do on my in my agenda section, I like to, on the left side, write in or put any work plans. And then on the right side, I like to put any personal plans. So that's what is happening with that section to the left that you can't see right now. Right now, I am adding in any to-dos or tasks that I would like to get completed this week. Like I said, mainly just trying to figure out what I want to get my friends for their birthdays. If I even want to get them anything, I am hanging out. Like I'm taking one friend to dinner and one friend to brunch, which I intend to pay for. So I'm trying to think if I want to add a cute item to go with it. I don't know. I know one's a gift person, but the other one isn't really a gift person. She more so likes anything that really involves spending time with people. She would prefer that over a gift. So I think I may, I don't know. I need to figure it out now, I guess, but I'll try to figure out what I would like to get them, if anything. So on my task list, at the very top, I have my personal things. Below that, I have professional outside of my job, because I'm a professional even outside of my job. So those are the tasks that are below that. And then below that are the tasks that I have for my actual job. And then below that are my side hustle tasks that I would like to get completed. And I really love whenever I notice that there's a task that's recurring on the week that I'm not getting accomplished, and I know that I'm not for sure not going to get it accomplished in that upcoming week, I like to just remove it and add it to my monthly task list. So that's what I'm doing right now. The truck is probably not going to be registered this week. I'm not prioritizing it. We're not doing that whole thing this week. So I just removed it because it has been on my to-do list for literally, I think it's been on there for years, honestly. Long story about that. But that is what I am doing right now. And I did use the Dash Planner stick-free Valentine's Day, boho Valentine's Day sticker sheet to do much of the decorating for this particular page. And that is something you can get for free by going to dashplanner.com. And right now I'm looking at my routine or rituals list for the week, and then also looking at my weekly schedule just to kind of see what's coming up and try to better plan for the upcoming week. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know if you guys like this video and if you want to see more. It was nothing for me to film this. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, subscribe if you're new and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.